All right, hello, my big fourth graders. It is math time, and we are. Um, I hope that you counted steps yesterday, and that's really all I wanted you to do yesterday is count steps, and you can use those numbers however you want to. But yesterday, I walked to the library and we're going to be working with that. But one thing I want to point out is that we will just be reinforcing our addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That's all we're going to be doing. We're not going to learn any new skills. We just want you to maintain what you learned since August of 2019. So that's really all we're going to be doing is we're just going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, okay? With the main emphasis probably on addition and multiplication, because those two things are definitely directly related to each other, okay? And these are skills that are the foundation for mathematics. So that's all we're going to be doing. If the thought of this stresses you out, then take a break and walk away. It's okay, because safety is first, and I'm not here to stress anybody out. Okay, I was not put on this planet to stress out children and parents. Okay, so if you need to walk away, take a break, please do so. But we're going to take this nice and easy, and the only thing I'd really like for you to do is the freckle assignments. Okay, so and I think that's mostly going to be multiplication, but who knows about freckle? Not making any promises. Okay, so let's move on to our math. So here we go. I took 1,342 steps to get to the library. How many steps do you think it would take to walk to the library and back? Okay, so if we know that, so here's me. Yay! Here's Daisy. Beep boo. I'm walking Daisy. There's my house. We'll put flowers in front of it. Okay, here's the house. And we're walking all the way up to the library. And here is the library, and it has like a little sculpture on the front. It looks like a little bird sticking its head out. So here's our library. Okay, so here's our library. So from my house to the library took 1,342 steps. Okay, that's just one way. And so if I were to walk all the way back to my house, well, gosh darn, how many steps do you think that would be? It would probably be around 1,342. So I want to know how many steps it took to the library and back. So we can do one of two things. So we're going to say it took approximately 1,342 steps to go back. Okay? So I want to know the total distance. So we can either say, I'm going to lower this down a little bit. So we can do this one of two ways. We can say 1,342 plus 1,342. Okay? Or we could also multiply. So we can say 1,342 times what? Well, 2. Okay? So, all right, let's just add. What's 2 plus 2? I'll lower that down a little bit. That's 4. What's 4 plus 4? 8. What's 3 plus 3? 6. What's 1 plus 1? 2. So let's multiply, because adding this 2 times is the same as 1,342 times 2. That's the same exact thing. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Remember, we have to start multiplying in the ones place. We got to start with the ones and then tens, hundreds, and thousands. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. and 2 times 1 is 2. All right, do we have the same answer? 2,684? Yeah, 2,000, they're the same, exact the same. Now, since I'm kind of asking you a word problem, that means you have to have a unit. And so I asked, how many steps do you think it would take to walk back to the library? Well, it's going to take 2,684 steps. Okay, so we have to write in a unit whenever there is a word problem, okay? Okay, so if you did your math, like you did your walking, either from your house to your mailbox, or maybe your back porch to your fence, count how many steps that is, and then I want you to figure out how many steps it is from your house back to the start. Okay, just like I did, you may either add or multiply, and I'd love to see your answers, and I will see you next time. Bye.